another side of things, I can't agree with the people that say, and I quote, I got it out of the mud or from the bottom, and so my kids need to. I don't agree with that. I do believe that we work this hard to be able to pass a baton to our kids. And legacy and generational wealth does not start by you putting your kids back where you started off from. Someone has to make it further than you in life, right? So we teach them and we lead them to where they need to be. And when we get to this point and we pass it off. I'm passing mine off through trust that you created and different stuff like that. But I'm also saying, hey, don't give all them kids that money right when I go.
Yeah,
Give it
yeah.
in portions so that they know how to manage it. But I want them to be further up so that their kids can work, because I believe that I am doing this for my grandkids and their kids, not just for me and my kids right now.